Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. All right, as by serendipity, we are all assembled here on the evening before I leave. I'll just say a few words to encourage you all to go on in Krishna consciousness. Now the book marathon is coming up. It's still a few weeks away, but you have to prepare for that. Life is full of many ups and downs, as you may have noticed, especially in this modern age. But stick very closely to the instructions given by Srila Prabhupada and try to absorb the mood of Srila Prabhupada also, which is the same as the mood of the 6 Goswamis. Lokanam hita. Srila Prabhupada was Lokanam hitakari, always acting for the benefit of others. Generally, when we first come to Krishna consciousness, we think about my own benefit, but then we have to think about others' benefit also by distributing these books especially, and by interacting with others in a way that they may benefit in Krishna consciousness. Definitely there's very good scope for spreading Krishna consciousness despite the extraordinary degradation which is rolling in India ever faster. Still, there is plenty of interest in dharma, mostly Kaitava dharma. People are mostly interested in cheating religion. They don't differentiate, they have no idea. They have no idea what is actual religion. Some people recognize that Prithivite jato kichu dharma nama chale Bhagavata kahe taha paripurna chale. Bhakti Saraswati, paraphrasing part of the 2nd verse of Srimad Bhagavatam, said that whatever is going on in the world in the name of dharma is all cheating. So most people, they don't even recognize that. And then those who recognize it, they just reject all religion and say that it's all useless, it's all cheating. So we have the task to convince people who are pious enough to be religious that real religion means not to act for sense gratification and not to be cheated by others who promise sense gratification in the name of religion. And to those who are not so pious but who are intelligent enough to see that what's going on in the name of religion is all cheating, then we have to, just like we have to convince the people that real piety means to surrender ourselves to Krishna, we have to convince those who think they've become very intelligent by rejecting religion that real intelligence doesn't only mean rejecting that which is cheating in the name of religion, but finding out that which is real religion. So we ourselves have to rise above the platform of cheating religion. Whatever good things are given in this world by all the great rishis and acharyas and by Krishna himself, that becomes spoiled in course of time. Sakale neha mahata yogo nashta parantapa. It becomes spoiled. It's not that it just automatically degrades, but people, they degrade it by wrong philosophies, by acting for their own sense gratification, either gross or subtle or both, in the name of Krishna consciousness. So we have to be very sincere to perform devotional service simply for the pleasure of Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All right, that's all for now. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna.